Hey guys, Jasur is here from Shanghai Silk Road International Trading Company, and today I'm in Songjiang district of Shanghai, which is a really beautiful place. So you can see around here the nature. We are in a Songjiang economic zone. We're getting ready with for the meeting with government officials. So that's the place. So anyway, the purpose of this short video is to answer a question that I received yesterday, that do I need to set up a company in order to sell on Chinese e-commerce platforms like Taobao, tmall, and 1688.1688.com, etc. There are so many e-commerce platforms in China that are business to consumer platforms. So the question is, do you need to set up a company in order to sell on those platforms? The short answer is no. You don't have to set up a company in China in order to sell on e-commerce platforms, but this is the law. But there is a inconsistency, a little bit issue with this condition. Because why? Imagine that you start selling on these platforms. Oh, by the way, in order to sell on these platforms, all you have to do is obtain an e-commerce operator license in China. That's without the company. You can obtain that license. You can apply for that license, e-commerce operator license. But with that license, you can start selling. But the problem is receiving payments. You see, although it's not required to set up a company, you will have to receive payments from your Chinese customers, right? So for that reason, you have to again set up a company in China, or otherwise you will have to use third-party platforms to receive payments. For example, Alipay or WeChat Pay, etc. Again, in order to receive as an individual, there are going to be some problems in this condition. So although it's by law, although it's not required to set up a company, you will have to set up a company in order to open a corporate account with those payment gateways like WeChat or Alipay. So I think at this stage the laws are not mature enough to cover all the conditions. So they state that you can start operating on e-commerce platforms without a company, with only e-commerce license. But the reality is you will have to set up a company at the end of the day. Why? Because you need to receive payments from your Chinese clients to your corporate account, right? And current laws in China require anybody who is operating a business and who is receiving income to have this business status, so to say. You should have some kind of work visa or business status, the company, in order to set up a payment gateway. So in short, although laws allow you to start selling on Taobao, to receive payments you will have to set up a company. Yes, I'm afraid you cannot receive cash, you cannot receive payments to your personal Alipay or personal WeChat accounts. You will have to set up a company WeChat and company Alipay account, which are corporate accounts. So for that reason, I'm afraid you will have to set up a company. The alternative, as I mentioned, is to use third companies that can provide such services in China. And there are so many companies you can Google, you can find online that will help you to receive payments. Okay, so you have two options: either to set up a company or use those companies' help. All right, I hope it helps to some people. Thank you, and if you have questions, you can let us know or leave a question in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with the current business laws and policies in China. Thank you.